In this video, we are going to learn about models of disability. There are various types of disability models. They include individual model, social model, medical model, Nagy model of disability, Quebec disability model, human rights model, professional model, transactional model, chatting model, functional model, and rehabilitation model. Let us study three important models of disability. The medical model of disability is the one of the important model of disability. This is the diagrammatic representation of medical model of disability. Is housebound, need help and carers, has fits, is sick, looking for a cure, can't see or hear, can't walk, can't get up and sit. So medical model, disability is a consequence of a health condition, disturb the functioning of a person in psychological or cognitive way. Functional model of disability is caused by physical, medical or cognitive defects, limits functioning or the ability to perform functional activities. Medical model, problem is the body structure of the person. Social model, problem is the environment. The environment is the only problem of social model. Then medical model, expert is the medical professional. Social model, expert is the person, the student. Professionals also resource people. Solution, fix the person or the student. Social model, fix the environment. Agent of change, professional. Agent of change in social model, anyone who fixes the environment. Role of the patient, passive recipient. Social model, role of the student, active recipient. Then social model means a person activities are limited not by the impairment or condition by the environment. Barriers are consequences of a lack of social organization. The medical model of disability, it is a problem with the person who has a disability. Disabilities need to be fixed. Professional are the only hope for a cure or normality. Overcoming or normality are goals. The medical model looks at a person's impairment first and focuses on the impairment as the cause of disabled people being unable to access goods and services or being able to participate fully in society. Social model of disability also focuses on people's attitude towards disability and recognizes that attitude towards the disability can present barriers for disabled people in the same way the physical environment can. So, medical model says you are a sufferer, you are the problem. Your impairment needs curing. You cannot make decision about your life. You need professionals to look after you. You can never be equal to none. Medical model says you are a sufferer, problem, your impairment needs curing. Main thing is you need professionals look after you. Social model says disability is not an individual problem. Disabled people cannot compete on equal terms because society has constructed too many barriers. Society has a duty to remove these barriers. Disabled people should have the same right to full equality as all the other citizens. So, social model of disability focuses on changes required in society, for example, attitude, social support, information, Then physical structure, flexible work hours. So medical model approach to disability. This approach tells that disability is a part of a person's individual physical and mental atmosphere. To solve this disability, treatment is given to a disabled person based on these types of disability. So thank you. Thanks for watching.